Welcome to solverfy.
This is the answer to Chapter 19, problem number 67 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem says lysine and tryptophan are two amino acids that contain an additional nitrogen atom in their side chains. Lysine is classified as basic. Tryptophan is not basic. And so we are asked to explain why this difference in classification occurs. And so I've drawn lysine and tryptophan here. I guess I should maybe label them. So this one on the left is lysine, and on the right is tryptophan. Tryptophan. Actually, is it a pH? It is. Okay. So lysine and tryptophan. And so basically what we need to look at is the lone pair on each of these nitrogens in the side chains. So this is what we're talking about, what I've green arrowed here. And in lysine, that lone pair is localized. There are no double bonds nearby, no pi bonds in conjugation with that lone pair. And so it's just kind of sitting there on the nitrogen, waiting to rip protons off of something else, which is what, one of the ways to think about a base is a lone pair of electrons waiting to grab a proton from somewhere. And so that's why the nitrogen there is basic. However, in tryptophan, that lone pair is part of this 4 pi bond aromatic system here. So it's actually in conjugation with that system. So it's in conjugation, it's conjugated. And another way of saying that is that it's delocalized into that system. And so since it's delocalized, it's really not as though that lone pair is sitting right there on that nitrogen. It's really spread out amongst all of the carbons in this conjugated now 10 electron system that we have going on here. And since it's delocalized, it's much, much less strongly basic because it's not sitting there waiting to snatch a proton. It's delocalized. It's spread amongst this system. And so that makes it much less basic. And that is why tryptophan is classified as a neutral amino acid, whereas lysine is classified as a basic amino acid. And that's the answer to Chapter 19, problem number 67.